Welcome. In front of me is an iPad Air 5th Gen, and today I'll show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, simply open up Settings, navigate down to Battery, and enable the low power mode by toggling it on. That's basically all you need to do. Now I'll mention that once enabled, this will, for instance, turn off your Wi-Fi once the device is not being used for some period of time, just so it saves some battery. So because of this, you won't be getting any kind of notifications that would require internet connections. So messages, Facebook, and things like that, Instagram, will not be giving you any kind of new notifications when you're not using the device, just so you know. So there we go, that is how you can turn it on, and once you're done with it, you'd have to just go back there and toggle it off, because I don't think there is a toggle in here. Let's see, maybe there is, but doubt it. Yep, I don't see any toggle here, so you'd have to get back to the settings of the battery and turn it off from there. So anyway, that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.